Is your Pokémon GO showing unable to connect to server on Android or iPhone? You might encounter server unable to connect issues when there is a problem with your internet or when the Pokémon GO server is down. Now, if you want to solve unable to connect to the server, first check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this up. If you find that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network to Wi-Fi and mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you find that you have no issues with your internet, then check the server for the Pokémon GO game. Then you must check your server for Pokémon GO. Open a browser of your choice on your device. Type www.downdetector.com. Now, tap here. Once you come over here, type Pokémon GO. Tap Go. First, look at the status. If it shows user reports indicate no current problems at Pokémon GO, that means there is no problem with the server. Or if you found there is issues with your server, you need to wait for 12 hours. Now, if there are no server issues but you keep getting unable to connect server, then you need to open setting, scroll down, tap additional setting, tap developer option, scroll down, turn on the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also turn on always keep mobile data on if you're using mobile data on your device. After that, reopen setting. Scroll down, tap apps, tap manage apps. Search for Pokémon GO apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on auto start, tap app permission, enable files and media, enable location. Go back. Now scroll down. Tap battery saver. Choose no restriction. Enable all the setting. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap search, type VPN, install the VPN, and set up your VPN. After that, connect your VPN to your mobile. Now go back to your open Pokémon GO apps. Now try to play the games and see what happens. After following the process, if you still have issues with the server, please comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.